This is Chota Bada Talab and I am showing the paintings on the Tibara. Narnol has got a very rich heritage. We are at Chota Bada Talab, a big water body of Narnol. See the Tibara. I am showing the purview of Chota Bada Talab at Narnol. People come here to worship also. The Chota Bada Talab is a very big water body and a place of worship also. Of course, the sanitation requires an attention, immediate attention. Cost just nothing. Here is another Tibara. Tibara means a place to stay for nomads having 3 doors. Tibara, 3 barna. 1, 2, 3. Tibara means having 3 entries. The swans, these were the porches where swimmers used to take a jump. It can be converted into a swimming pool also for exercise, for competition. A small investment and care may change this place into a place of tourism. Here is another chhatri and well painted. See the paintings on the wall. The eastern side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagonal. And see the paintings at the roof. Requires some cleanliness and maintenance. Revival and rejuvenation work is immediately required, lest this work may go waste. This is Jaipuria. The plants of coconuts are also there. Khajur, coconut. main dome. It's hexagonal. Now I will go to another umbrella chhatri. People should be more responsible. And avoid. Here is view from the northern side. We are approaching some another chhatri. Here is the biggest chhatri. The paintings are not in good conditions. Requires maintenance. We should respect our places and points of heritage. Our ancestors gave a lot to we people, a lot. And another chhatri, I am approaching it. Here is gate for the water. I am fortunate to have taken this big work to introduce people and get myself acquainted with the points of heritage at Narnaul. India has got a lot, but we are not able to take care. We should. Here is another chhatri. The paintings are different, of course. The dome and the floriculture must have been very beautiful paintings. Needs revival, needs rejuvenation. Horses, soldiers, it's also octagonal. And paintings all around, and the dome painting. I'm Dr. Ravinder Singh, and the banyan trees all around, and only one chhatri remains to be seen. Chota Bada Talab of Narnol. See the chhatri here also, the last one. Of course, I have to struggle to reach this point. I have to struggle a lot. There's shrubs everywhere. Yeah, this is the last chhatri. The Tigara, not in good condition. This is the last Tigara. See from here. Chota Bada Talab of Narnol. It must have been a big water body to be used for clean the clothes, for bathing purpose, and the secret purpose was also there. People used to invest on water bodies even in the ancient times, because there are several temples constructed around it, and there is a Takhtwali Baudi nearby. So the Chota Bada Talab and Takhtwali Baudi Miyaji shows a joint culture of Hindu-Muslim brotherhood. Two water bodies all along, and the corridor all around. Here is another dome converted into a temple. Here is another tank. One is Chota and one is Bada. This is Chota tank. This seems to be in better condition. Gardening all around. There is a temple also. This is Chota Talab. Palm trees. Well maintained. Chota Talab. If the monuments are converted into places of heritage and given space for private people to invest and a culture of maintaining our heritage is more relevant today, more necessary. This is Chota Talab. Of course, it's better maintained and this is a religious place of worship constructed. All green. If you come to Narnaul, there is Pir Turkman Takht Wali Bawdi, your step well, and along with it is Chota Bada Talab, a big water body. You must visit. Points of worship. A dome-shaped construction, palm trees, bottle palms, big one. A good garden, well maintained, around the Chota Talab. Water bodies are so significant in arid areas because monsoon gives 80% of the rainfall in 3 months. For other months we have to depend only on stored water that is stored in water bodies. A nest of Baya. So, friends, we have almost covered the Here is another temple also on the water bodies, and seems to have been taken over by the people always in look of vacant points. Here is a chhatri. Of course, the original must have not been in so good condition. It has been a part of the Chota Bada Talab and had been enclosed upon. I will give you a purview of the Chota Bada Talab from the southern part of this. See the poor condition of sanitation. About 50% of the landscape has been taken over or enclosed upon by the different kinds of people, greedy, religious, and thugs. Everywhere this is like that. Well, we hope the government of Haryana or central government will take care of this point of heritage and invest in maintaining the sculpture, the art, the paintings, and the main water body. Thank you all. This is Dr. Ravinder Singh Rao, retired principal, and with your cooperation, I am getting you acquainted with the heritage point of Narnaul. Thank you very much.